What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Torrance. Haven't hit up the Torrance outlet in forever. Let's go see what's up. All right, it's been, I don't say at least 2 or 3 weeks since I've hit up any outlets in California. Let's go. All right, looks like 30% off the back wall. It does look like that 20% off for members is over. But the big thing is lately, it's about finding heat, not necessarily finding the dopest deals. So let's go. Size 17 big feet gang, extra big feet gang. You got these bad boys going for $180 Jordan 1 OG highs. Size 14 regular big feet gang, $170 for these. Those are the Jordan 1 high golf. Got some mids for y'all big feet gang too, size 14. Those are $135. Jordan 1. Oh man, these are the new ones. Man, ain't nobody want those. Size 12, dude got one of those bad boys. Oh, those like Air Force Ones, but yeah, these are the React ones. Those bad boys. Size 14, $150. Got LeBrons right here. The LeBron 9 lows over 85. It's probably the cheapest I've seen those, especially with 30% off. Air Max 97, size 15, $140. Size 12, why not 0.6, $110 for these. Jordan 1 mids, size 12, $125. Terminator low OGs, going for $120. Box top all jacked up. Hey, these are 13.5. What the hell? Got some Jordan 1 low golf that I've never seen before. Crocodile skin blacks. Oh yes, I've never seen these. What the hell? These are golf right here. $140 for those. Is it a raindrop? What the hell is that? A raindrop? What the hell? Does that mean the top layer of ink comes off? Is that what that means? I don't know. More golfs right here. 11.5, $170. Almost. These are 11.5. I need a size 10. That's what I need for those. 11.5. $150 for these bad boys. So $105 after the savings. More mids right here, size 11. $125 for these. Got some more lows. Got some more Jordans, kind of, sort of, not really. State Loyals. The hell are these? Thought I saw some dunks, but nah, more Terminators. Haven't seen that. Look at the different texture on top. Not bad, $120 for those. MMW5 slides. $150 for those. Those look awful. LeBron's 2 bills for those. We've seen those for way cheaper. Are finally in the 10.5, my size. Do got some Vapor Max 2021 Flyknits in the colorway that's always on sale, $160. Ton of these LeBrons. Size 8, $140 for Forces. Do got some Dunk mids, $115. Pretty much all canvas. That's an 8.5 for some reason. Next gen LeBrons. Size 10.5, bread colorway. Retail is $165, so it looks like that's what it's going for. They made a Jordan Luca ones. Next Natures? I didn't know that. $130 for these. None of the Next Natures have been super popular. This one doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look any different than the other Luca ones. $130 though. Size 9, $150 for the LeBron 2s. Go Fly Ease. If I can find these in a huger size, I would like that. Size 9 retros right here, Jordan 5 retros. These, what, the green beans? Is that what these are called? Do got 3M on it, so that's always fun, especially late at night. That's actually pretty dope. This material doesn't look like the creasing is that bad, especially compared to like the Fearless 1. Those are just crazy. 2 bills for those. We got some of the black cement golds in the men's section for some reason. These 12 golf. These are also hella small. $180 for those. All right, we're gonna check out the men's aisles. Let's see what's up. Do have an entire Jordan section. These are the 2 trays. I've had people in the comment section ask why people talk trash about the Team Jordans or the non-signatures. The response is definitely interesting. Jetman 2021s. Liftoff. Comfort 11 lows. Because some people call them Jordans, some people don't. They'll just say, hey, they're not real Jordans. Yeah, I kind of said, hey, we kind of tend to be pretentious as Jordan collectors sometimes. I'm gonna admit it, I am sometimes. Because we can get like the retros at like a little bit more than this a lot of times. Especially when you find stuff on sale. These are Comfort 11 Sub-Zeros. Another colorway of those. Then the Tray 5.9s. I like 5 or 6 colorways. Midnight Navy, or Obsidian, my bad. Obsidian. Pure Platinum. Black Cool Gray. Cosmic Unities. SB Alley-Oops. Mostly black. Got some premium blazer mids. Vintage ones right here. University blue for these. Black gum Air Force Ones. Got some Wheat Nubuck Air Force Ones. Quick Strike mids. Max Terrascape Plus right here. Got some Air Max 2017s. Got them in black, and black. Got some Air Max 90s. Then got Air Max 90 Premiums. I was like, how are they different? Oh, the bottom part is suede. Bottom part is suede, and there's like tumbled leather on the Nike swoosh sign right here. Okay, so they charge what, $10 more for that? Oh, it's the same price though. Same price, $130 for both. Free Metcon 4s. Got a trio of those. This is the Ghost Green Mint Foam colorway. I got some Metcon 8s. And then got running shoes like Pegasus, that type of stuff. The prices aren't even that low, dude. Let's go check out the men's apparel, see what's up here. 30% off apparel, let's see what's up here. I'm gonna be honest, the finds at the Ross and Burlington, like the discount stores, have been so much more interesting. Got a Trojan shirt, $35 to get 30% off. Really nice Nike hoodie. The color is awful though, $55. And they got ones with the flowers on it. I feel so dumb for not buying the Flight hoodie out in, what was it, Pittsburgh? Was it Pittsburgh or was it, I think it was Cleveland. I should have bought those hoodies. But yeah, $30 for these. I don't know who wants ones with all the flowers on them. Jumpman t-shirt right here going for $25. This is a large, not bad, special 30 off. I got some more apparel over here. Let's see what's up. Man, Nike apparel's been so mediocre. Double XL, $35 for this, but look at the color. Sweatshirt XL. This is really thick, but there's no hood on it. There's no price tag either. Okay, got its buddy right here. This one has a price tag, $55, normally $90. And they got more shorts over here, shorts and longs. But yeah, pretty whatever. Moving on to the women's now. To be able to get these for $140, and then you get that extra discount. That is fire. But this is a size, what, 9.5, so size 8 men's. That's pretty fire though. Just hoping to find some size 10 running shoes, $130. Those ain't gonna do for a high school kid. High school boy, that is. Air Max 90 Futuras, $160. Metcon 8s, $109.99. This might do, but that's too small. That's $130, size 8.5. Jordan 2s, $150. Yeah, the colors are very bright and pastel-y, but that's your thing. It's not bad. Material's alright, not too shabby. Size 8 Dunk High 85s in a colorway that's very mediocre. Material's like super nice though. Retail. Air Max 90 going for $130. Size 9s. Gonna have Pegasus 37 down to $70. Air Max 90s. Mostly canvas. Big old lips right there, $140. Air Max 270s, $160. Got a few of the Dunk High 85s and plenty of sizes. Colorway is pretty mediocre though. All right, checking out the women's aisles right here. Air Force One platforms. Retail, what the hell? Blazer mids. Free Metcon 4s. So apparently these are really good for high intensity interval workouts. And then no love in the women's section. Air Max bolts. What the hell? Air Max Fusion. Ebron lows, stuff that y'all just ain't looking at. Air Max correlates, bunch of generic stuff. In the grade school section, they do have some Jordan 1 mid. This is interesting, bunch of different materials. Got corduroy in the back. Got leather with dots embossed in. I don't know. This is just really interesting. Suede on the backside right there. It is going for retail though, and that leather on the toe box still mid leather, just super mediocre. And Comfort 11 lows in preschool, and then yeah, another preschool. That's about it. All right, we did find a few Jordan retros. Not the craziest trip though. But, you know, it is what it is. Can't win all of them. All right, make sure you guys help a boy out. Make sure to press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. I'm going to be heading out to Pittsburgh again for a day trip. So I'm going to get some videos from Pittsburgh. Hit up a couple of Nike outlets and a bunch of Ross, that type of stuff. But, yeah, make sure you guys keep supporting the channel. Click on some of these videos. Got plenty of videos for y'all. Go ahead and click some of these videos, you guys.